the space to be in is the IT space. Unequivocally, big gains coming by in the large cap IT names. The IT index itself is up about 2.5% odd, but the mid cap IT names are where the action is. We have L&T Tech Services up 8%, Coforge up around 3.5%. In fact, the top 5 gainers in the F&O space, 4 of them belong to the mid-cap IT space. L&T Infotech up 4.5%, Persistence up 6% as well. So, good time to get in Himanshu Gupta of Globe Capital for a quick check on the markets. Himanshu, do you think now it's time for the laggards to move the IT stocks, the metals, the global-facing ones, which have now begun to move?
Good morning to you. Well, yes, I think there is something, some kind of catch-up that has to be done with the IT pack. And if you talk about the Nifty IT index levels, I think the breakout is suggesting that Nifty IT can actually rally towards 32,200, followed by 32,800 in this leg of up move itself, which means nearly 800 to 1,000 points up move in this index can be seen in the very short term. Having said that, I think if you talk about the Nifty odd levels, I think now given the PCR, which is above 1.4 odd levels, I think I would like to wait for a dip in Nifty to go longs. And I think as per me, 18,700, 18,650 is the immediate area of support where fresh longs would be advisable. On the upside, I think 19,000, 19,100 can act as an immediate resistance, within which broadly 400 points zone, some consolidation can be seen. If you talk about the some positional and the medium term targets in this leg of upside, I think 19,500 and 19,800 are the kind of targets that we are working on this leg of in this rally in this leg.
So you're not recommending a buy at these levels, only if the Nifty dips to 18,700, 18,650 thereabout. What about stocks, Himanshu?
Yeah, so going with a couple of buy recommendations. So along with IT, cement is one another sector that's actually showing a lot of strength, and I think this is one sector that can actually show some kind of outperformance in the near term. So Ambuja Cement is one stock that's a buy on which I'm recommending a buy around current levels of 577, 578. Keep a stop loss below 570, and on the upside targets close to 600 can be seen in Ambuja Cement. Second one is a buy on mid-cap IT, not directly, but related to the sector. It's KPIT Tech, one of the strongest IT play, which has actually managed to recover much ahead of the sector. And when the sector is showing strength, I think some good breakout moves can be seen on KPIT Technology. Current level 728 around, we can initiate longs for a target price of 760 and 775. Keep a stop loss below 718. And finally, a cash stock that's Triveni Turbine. That's again looking on the verge of a breakout from a sideways consolidation. So Triveni Turbine can be bought around current levels for a target price of 320, and a stop loss below 294 can be placed here.
All right, Himanshu, thanks a lot for getting us all of those individual recommendations. With that, let's move on and talk about important political